Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. We are going to be working on the Vermeer 935. It's a new piece of equipment here on our property. As you can see, it's definitely not new. I purchased it from a local nursery that they used it for a good number of years, but it never even left their property. They just would use it for anything that died on site. They would just toss it through and put it into their compost. So it's definitely used, but I wouldn't say abused. They even took the time to put a new Kubota engine on it. It doesn't have that many hours on it. It's like somewhere around like 600 or so, the guy told me. Thing starts, runs great. Chips, they gave me the manuals. They got an extra set of brand new blades for it. It just needs some maintenance. The guy said it sat there only because they got a giant one. They're like tandem axle chipper. They're a big nursery now, but they didn't use this for 3 or 4 or 5 years, the guy said. And it just sat there in the undercover in one of their like carport areas, and so it needs tires. Well, I like the white walls, but they're all cracked all the way around. I do have a new spare, but that's 14-inch tire. That's 15-inch tire. Tire size is the same except for the rim, so I'm just making sure that it fits. And because I have an extra set of 15-inch wheels, and then all my stuff will be the same, 15-inch. So that's what I'm shooting for. So hopefully it fits. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, seeing if that fits, and then I'm going to take apart the wheel bearings and order some new bearings for it. This is, I think, a 94. So who knows if it's ever been changed. I kind of doubt it, since they didn't ever take it off their grounds. So yeah, tons of little things. Oh, putting a new 2-inch hitch on it. Like, it just has like a clevis pin on the front that they used to haul behind a tractor. So this thing maybe saw 7 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour at best. All right, well, let's get to it. I knew that they were rusty, so I've been spraying them with penetrating oil the last 2 days. I guess I'll have to get the MAP gas out and heat them up, because that's a pretty powerful impact. All right. That's the bummer part. They probably put these tires on and okay, let's see if this fits. So mainly concerned, that it's going to fit here. Ooh, some of them are still pretty hot. Yeah, I'm gonna call that good. So I guess I'm just gonna clean up the other tires I have, or other wheels I have, and find another tire that's good, and we'll go from there. Nice. Alright, so let's start taking that bearing out. Alright, now that we know these wheels will work, what do you think? Maybe need some attention? Well, at least there's grease in it, right? Something to set all this greasy stuff on. Alright, so we're going to clean this up, see if we can find a number on it. Oh, we'll blow all this out and spray it down. Seems just like it's dirty. Alright, I was going to run over to my buddy's shop and order them, but I can have it shipped here tomorrow for $31, and that includes both bearings, and it's a tapered axle. So both bearings for each side, both races for each side, a new dust cap, a new grease seal, and I think in a new cotter pin. I think this is what I'm going to do. I just mic'd everything up with the calipers, and everything checked out. So this is the route I'm going to go. I'm just going to clean up the brakes, but let me show you. They're not even close to hooked up. That'll be for another time. This ain't going on the road anytime soon, and it might just be easy to run all new wires for hooking those up. But I'm going to clean it up with just the air compressors, blow it all off, and I'm going to get this ordered so it'll be here tomorrow. Alright, so all I have to do is pound out the races out of the hub, and I'm going to spray everything down with brake cleaner and get it all nice and pretty and ready to put it back together tomorrow.